Blackheads. Those tiny, stubborn dark spots seem to appear overnight, often taking up residence on our noses, chins, and foreheads. While harmless, they can be frustrating and affect confidence. As a health expert, I understand the desire for clear skin and the temptation to try quick fixes. However, the safest, most effective path to reducing blackheads naturally requires patience, consistency, and a gentle, science-backed approach. Forget harsh scrubs and damaging DIY hacks. Let's explore why blackheads form and how to tackle them effectively and safely. Understanding the enemy. What are blackheads? Think of your pores as tiny tunnels. Each houses a hair follicle and a sebaceous gland that produces sebum, oil, to keep your skin lubricated and protected. This is normal and healthy. The clog, sometimes excess sebum production, combines with dead skin cells shed from the lining of the pore. The oxidation, when this mixture, called a cum dun, gets trapped near the pore's opening and is exposed to air, it oxidizes. This oxidation process turns it dark, creating the characteristic blackhead appearance. It's not dirt trapped under the skin. Whiteheads versus blackheads. If the pore closes over the trapped mixture before it oxidizes, it forms a small, flesh-colored bump, a whitehead. Key contributing factors. Genetics. Your skin type, oily skin, is more prone, and pore size are largely predetermined. Hormones, fluctuations, especially during puberty, menstrual cycles, pregnancy, or stress, ramp up sebum production. Excess sebum production. Oily skin provides more raw material for clogs. Skin cell buildup. Slower skin cell turnover leads to more dead cells available to mix with oil. Certain products, heavy, comedogenic, pore clogging, makeup, sunscreens, or moisturizers can contribute. Environmental factors. Humidity, sweating, and pollution can mix with oils and dead skin. Friction/pressure. Regularly resting your face on your hands, phone, or tight headgear can worsen clogs. Why natural and safe matters. Your skin is a vital protective barrier. Aggressive methods like harsh scrubs, pore strips, or squeezing can damage the skin barrier, leading to redness, irritation, dryness, and increased sensitivity. In large pores, aggressive extraction can stretch pore openings. Cause inflammation and scarring. Squeezing can push bacteria deeper, leading to pimples or permanent marks. Disrupt skin's natural balance. Stripping all oil can signal your skin to produce even more sebum, worsening the problem long-term. Natural methods focus on working with your skin's biology, gently promoting its own cleansing and renewal processes without causing harm. Your natural blackhead battle plan, effective and safe method. This approach combines daily habits, targeted treatments, and lifestyle considerations. Consistency is key. Results take weeks, not days. Phase 1. Gentle cleansing, the essential foundation. The goal: remove excess oil, sweat, pollutants, and surface debris without stripping the skin. The method: choose wisely. Opt for a gentle, pH-balanced, around 5.5, fragrance-free cleanser. Look for gel or foaming formulas for oily skin, milky or cream for combination/dry. Avoid harsh sulfates, SLS/SLES. Lukewarm water. Hot water strips natural oils excessively. Cold water doesn't effectively dissolve oil. Technique: wash twice daily, morning and night. Use fingertips. not abrasive cloths or tools. Massage gently for 30 to 60 seconds, rinse thoroughly. Pat dry, don't rub. Natural boosts, occasional raw honey, antibacterial, soothing, or diluted apple cider vinegar, ACV balancing, contains AHAs, use cautiously 1-2x/week, diluted 1 part ACV, 4 parts water, rinse off, can be used occasionally as cleansers. Patch test first. Phase 2, gentle exfoliation, clearing the path. This is crucial for removing the dead skin cells that contribute to clogs. Natural does not mean harsh. Avoid physical scrubs with jagged particles, like crushed nuts, salt, sugar, or baking soda, highly alkaline, they cause micro tears. Chemical exfoliation. The natural hero uses naturally derived acids or enzymes to dissolve the glue holding dead cells together. BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids, salicylic acid, the gold standard for blackheads. Oil-soluble, meaning they can penetrate into the pore lining to dissolve the oil and dead skin mixture. Look for products with 0.5% to 2% salicylic acid, derived from willow bark. Start 1 to 2 times per week, gradually increase to 3 to 4 times if tolerated. Apply after cleansing, before moisturizer. AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, water-soluble, glycolic from sugarcane, lactic from milk, malic from apples, citric from citrus. Excellent for surface exfoliation, improving skin texture and radiance, which helps prevent clogs. Less effective at penetrating oil-filled pores than BHAs. Good for overall skin health alongside BHAs. Start slowly, 1-2x/week. Natural sources, masks containing fruit enzymes, papaya/papain, pineapple/bromelain, offer gentle surface exfoliation. Clay masks, see below, also help. Frequency is key, do not over-exfoliate. 2 to 4 times per week total, combining BHA and AHA sessions, not necessarily on the same day, is usually sufficient. Listen to your skin, if it's red, tight, or stinging, reduce frequency. Phase 3, steam and gentle extraction, proceed with caution. Steam helps soften the debris within pores and loosen dead skin cells. Method, fill a bowl with hot, not boiling, water. Lean over it, keep a safe distance, about 12 inches, for 5 to 10 minutes with a towel draped over your head to trap steam. Do this after cleansing, before exfoliation or a mask, maybe 1 to 2 times per week max. Do not steam if you have active acne, rosacea, or very sensitive skin. Gentle extraction. The rule, if it doesn't come out easily, leave it. Forcing it causes damage. The tool, use clean, sanitized cum-done extractors, loop tools. Sterilize with rubbing alcohol before and after. The technique, after steaming, when skin is softest, place the loop gently around the blackhead and apply very light, even downward pressure. If it doesn't release immediately, stop. Never use fingernails. Alternatives, a warm washcloth pressed gently on the area after steaming can sometimes coax out very surface-level blackheads without pressure. Post-extraction, apply a soothing ingredient like aloe vera gel or a calming toner, witch hazel without alcohol, rosewater. Phase 4, balancing and hydrating, don't skip this. The myth, oily skin doesn't need moisture. Wrong. Dehydrated skin can actually trigger more oil production. The goal, use lightweight, non-comedogenic, won't clog pores, moisturizers to hydrate and support a healthy skin barrier. Natural options. Aloe vera gel, soothing, hydrating, anti-inflammatory. Lightweight oils, yes, oils. Non-comedogenic oils like jojoba oil, mimic skin sebum, squalane oil, derived from olive/sugarcane, incredibly lightweight, or rosehip seed oil, rich in linoleic acid, beneficial for oily/acne-prone skin, can actually help balance oil production. Use a few drops. Patch test. Gel-based or water gel moisturizers, look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, a humectant that draws moisture to the skin without greasiness. Apply, after cleansing/treatments, while skin is slightly damp, to lock in moisture. Phase 5, supporting treatments and masks. Clay masks, excellent for absorbing excess surface oil and drawing out impurities. Use 1 to 2 times per week after cleansing/steaming. Look for bentonite clay, powerful absorbent. Kaolin clay, gentler, good for sensitive skin. Rassel clay, rich in minerals. Application, mix with water or apple cider vinegar, for added BHA effect, to a paste. Apply to oily/T-zone areas, avoiding dry patches. Leave until just dry, don't let it crack, then rinse thoroughly. Follow with moisturizer. Charcoal masks can help draw out impurities, similar to clay. Choose formulas designed for the face. Honey masks, raw honey, antibacterial, humectant, can be applied alone or mixed with a little clay for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse well. Phase 6, lifestyle and prevention, the long game. Hands off, avoid touching your face throughout the day. This transfers oil, dirt, and bacteria. Hair and hair products, keep hair clean and off your face. Avoid heavy, oily hair products that can transfer to the skin. Cleanse after sweating. Gently cleanse your face after workouts or heavy sweating. Phone hygiene. Regularly wipe down your phone screen with alcohol. Pillowcases. Change pillowcases 2 to 3 times per week. Silk or satin can be gentler on skin than cotton. Diet and hydration. While direct links are complex, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports overall health, including skin. Stay well hydrated. Some find limiting dairy or high glycemic foods helps, but this is individual. Stress management. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can increase oil production. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and relaxation techniques. Makeup and skincare. Use non-comedogenic, oil-free products. Always remove makeup thoroughly before bed. Double cleansing, oil cleanser first, then water-based cleanser, is excellent for removing sunscreen and makeup. Sun protection. Daily sunscreen, SPF 30+, broad spectrum, is non-negotiable. Sun damage thickens the skin and impairs cell turnover, worsening clogs. Choose oil-free, non-comedogenic formulas. What to absolutely avoid. Natural doesn't mean safe. Lemon juice/vinegar, undiluted, highly acidic, destroys the skin barrier, causes burns, irritation, and increases sun sensitivity. Baking soda, highly alkaline, pH 9, disrupts the skin's natural acidic mantle, pH 4.5-5.5, causing irritation, dryness, and damage. Harsh physical scrubs, sugar, salt, nut shells cause micro tears, inflammation, and can worsen blackheads by damaging pores. Pore strips rip off the top layer of skin and surface hair, but don't remove the deeper plug. Damage the skin barrier and can enlarge pores over time. Provide only temporary, superficial results. Aggressive squeezing/picking leads to inflammation, infection, pimples, broken capillaries, and scarring. Spreads bacteria. Toothpaste contains irritating ingredients, menthol, fluoride, SLS, that dry out and inflame skin, potentially worsening problems. Rubbing alcohol/astringents over strip oil, damaging the barrier and triggering rebound oiliness. Patience and realistic expectations. Natural methods work by gradually improving your skin's health and function. You will not see overnight results. Expect noticeable improvement in 4 to 8 weeks with consistent effort. Blackheads are a chronic condition for many. Ongoing maintenance is key. Some pores are genetically larger and may always be slightly visible, even when clean. Focus on managing them, not achieving impossible perfection. When to see a dermatologist. If you've diligently followed a consistent, gentle natural regimen for 2 to 3 months with no improvement, or if you have severe acne, painful cysts, or significant scarring, consult a dermatologist. They can offer prescription-strength treatments, like topical retinoids, the gold standard for cell turnover and preventing clogs, or stronger exfoliants, or professional extraction procedures. The takeaway: kindness is key. Banishing blackheads naturally is about respecting your skin's biology. It's not about harsh attacks, but consistent, gentle care that supports your skin's own cleansing and renewal processes. By focusing on gentle cleansing, smart exfoliation, especially BHAs, proper hydration, and mindful lifestyle habits, you can effectively reduce blackheads and achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin without compromising its vital protective barrier. Be patient, be kind to your skin, and trust the process. Your skin is your lifelong companion. Treat it with the gentle respect it deserves. If you find the video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.